Hey everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to use your Samsung phone's accessibility feature to mute all sounds quickly with just the volume buttons. First, open your phone's settings. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Tap on advanced settings. Tap on volume up and down buttons. Scroll down and tap on mute all sounds to turn it on. And that's it. Now test it out! Just hold both volume buttons together, and your Galaxy will instantly mute all sounds. That's how you mute all sounds using the volume buttons. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Samsung tips.